Hello everyone, this is Plugin and today I'm gonna do a tech review for the ElitePvpers event and we're gonna cover SPSS from IBM. This is a statistics and data analysis software and I'm gonna show you what this program can actually do, just a tiny bit of it. And we're gonna start out by opening up a database. Okay, we're gonna search for the sample folder that they provide by default when you install it. Okay, yeah, it's samples. I'm gonna go to car sales and open it up. Okay, as you can see, we have our database in here with some information about cars from manufacturer, model to engine size, horsepower, and all that stuff. Okay, so what can this software do? Let's say we want to filter out some cases to create a smaller sample. We can do that by going to data and then select cases. And maybe we want a condition to filter out those cases, or maybe we just want to do it randomly. And let's do that. We can select a certain percentage, I don't know, let's say 35% of all cases. Okay, this is the output window. We'll see what this does in a second. And as you can see on the left side, the filter actually worked, and we can only see 35% of them. Yeah, most of them are filtered out. And let's say we want to find out some information about this data. We can actually do some descriptive statistics by clicking on Analyze Descriptive Statistics and then go into, we can actually go to any of those, let's say descriptives, and we're gonna select one of our variables, let's say price in thousands. Actually, let's do price and engine size. Okay, from the options button we can actually select which indicators we want the software to calculate. We're gonna leave it like this, and maybe we're gonna add up some information about kurtosis and skewness. Yeah, we're gonna do that, and then we can go OK. And as you can see, in the output window, it shows up this table, descriptive statistics, with information for both our selected variables, from mean to standard deviation, and the indicators that we selected in the options tab. Okay, we're gonna minimize this. Let's say we want to do some more advanced stuff, and we can do some regression actually, or maybe some correlation before that. We're gonna do that by going to Analyze, Correlate by Variate, and we're gonna see the relation between the price, engine size, and horsepower. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that. We're gonna calculate the Pearson correlation coefficient. I'm gonna go OK, and there we go. We have the correlations table for the three variables that we selected. And as you can see, we have a really nice and pretty strong relation between the price and horsepower. I think that was to be expected actually. And the second one is between the engine size and the horsepower. So the bigger the engine is, the more horsepower the car is supposed to have. Okay, but let's say we wanna find a way to see exactly some exact numbers that can describe this relationship, and we can do that by going to regression and then linear. And we're gonna select the dependent variable price, and we want to see how this is influenced by the engine size and horsepower. So these two are the independent variables, and we're gonna go OK. And here we have the results. We have a pretty big R and R square. This basically describes how strong the relation between the dependent variable and the independent ones that we selected. So basically between the price and the horsepower and engine size, we have a pretty strong one actually. And in this last coefficients table, we can actually see the value of the estimated parameter from the linear regression equation for this is our constant, okay, as you can see, and this is the value of the parameters for our independent variables. And as we can see, they're pretty significant, except the constant, but that's to be expected. And yeah, you can actually play around. There's plenty of really detailed stuff going on here. I just wanted to cover the basics and show you guys a little bit how this software works. And I think I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice one.